Lesson number 11. Explanation. Have you ever heard of the sugar plum tree? 'Tis a marvel of great renown. It blooms on the shore of the Lollipop Sea, in the garden of Shut-eye Town. The fruit that it bears is so wondrously sweet, as those who have tasted it say, that the good little children have only to eat of that fruit to be happy next day. The poet asks if we have ever heard of the sugar plum tree. He says that it is a wonderful tree, and very famous too. It blooms on the shores of the Lollipop Sea, in the garden of Shut-eye Town. The poet adds that those who have tasted its fruits say that it is wonderfully sweet. The good little children only need to eat this fruit to be happy the next day. Word meanings: 1. 'Tis, it is. Marvel, a wonderful or amazing thing or person. Renown, if something is of great renown, it is famous. It is known to many people as a good thing. Wondrously, wonderfully, amazingly.